Thanks for joining me. I'm starting a new project this weekend, creating my own kitchen garden. I got my inspiration from the gardens at Williamsburg, Virginia, where the settlers planted their own backyard gardens for survival. There's so many great ideas that you can get from just looking at the gardens in Williamsburg. How they laid their plants out in rows and they used flowers to bring in insects. So I also researched the 1940s when American and the Europeans had to have victory gardens in their yards. In order to support the war effort, they grew their own food in their backyard. So I got some inspiration from research on that. And someone asked me once, why in the world do you go to all that trouble and work when you can just go to the store and buy your food? And I just smile at them and think to myself, it's just part of creation where you can take a seed and can grow something and it produces fruit and you can taste that. It just brings you closer to your Creator. So that's why I like to do it. So thanks for joining me, and let me show you how easy it is to make your own kitchen garden. This is currently my backyard with my greenhouse. My husband and I last November built these 4 boxes, and I filled them with mulch and straw and leaves and then compost and covered them with straw, and they've sat there all winter just getting the soil ready for plants. And they're not hard to make. I'll show you how easy they are to make. You're using treated lumber. These are 2-inch by 8-inch by 10-foot treated boards that we cut into 4 and 6-foot sections. So each box takes 2 10-foot boards cut into 4-foot by 6-foot. The cost around to make one box is about $20. And using wood screws, you just screw these together and make a frame. There's no bottom in it. We were able to make 4 more this past Saturday. So using the wood screws, you just take the 4-foot and screw it to the 2 6-foot sections. And again, these are treated wood. They'll last longer, they won't rot as quickly as untreated wood, and you get this from Lowe's. So he secured all 4 sides, the screws, into the wood and made the frame. And I'm going to plant a lot of great vegetables in this. I've already ordered my seeds. I'm going to be doing lettuces, cabbages, onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, green beans, greens, mustard greens, collard greens. I can't even begin to tell you how many plants. That's why I had to go back and get more wood, because I bought a lot of seeds and I didn't have enough room. One of the boxes will be dedicated to a tea garden. So I'm going to plant mints and chamomile and lemon balm and stevia in one box. And make my own teas. easy that is? It's very simple. They make up fast. And then I just filled them with the base of wood chips to kill off that grass. I'm going to add in topsoil, compost, and manure, and then cover them with straw. We built one that was 3 foot by 10 foot, which I'm going to put all my green beans in, and then build a trellis so that they can grow up this long bed right here. And behind that, I'm putting in a brick patio. So a lot to do this winter before we start planting in April. But it's not hard. And it's going to be fun. It's good exercise for me. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned as I make more videos of our progress in creating my own backyard kitchen garden. Thanks so much for watching.